Fine. So I'll just continue with the chapter 5. We already know that in chapter 5 we are discussing about your networking concepts. In 5.1, so we were discussing about the network components and its types. In network components, we have the network icons like these, all those things. I'll open the packet tracer. If you have the packet tracer also, you can open the packet tracer, open it, the packet tracer, because here you have one activity. Here you have one activity. So where is that? That I will teach you next week. The activity before that I'll complete this one. See here, this is your packet tracer application. It is opening because I already logged in. See here, it will ask for your sign in, your email, and if you click next, and then it will go to the password. Some students are going to sign up. No need of sign up. Don't go here. Sign in only. Sign up already you have done. Sign in already you have done. Where you should go? You should go to sign in. What you need to give? Tell me what you need to give here. You give here, keep me logged in. Always, if you are using a personal computer, always click keep me logged in, because no need to you give the username and password again and again. This is your packet tracer, and you can see this is your working area. This is working area. I will tell you, if you see down, if you see down, see there is a network device, there is a end devices, there is component, and this one is connections. Mostly we will go with connections, network devices, and the end device and the end devices. All of you know that if you click on network devices, you will get the network devices like switches, routers, okay, hub, all those things, wireless devices you will get. Mostly you will use switch, router, and wireless routers. Only these three things you will use in your network device. What are the devices you will use? Can you see here at the down? Yes or no? Can you see my arrow here? Can you see my arrow here? If I click on network devices, you have router, you have switches, and you have this wireless device. Next, end devices. If I click on end devices, see here, you have PC, you have laptop, you have server, you have, what is it?
Sir,
Yeah,
in this program, make the network.
yeah, make the network. Correct. But I will teach you, no worry. I will just explaining about these components here. Okay, it is very easy only. So here you have IP, you have IP. All these are called as what? End devices. Next we have connections. See here, this connection also we have seen, and this one console. We have straight copper through. We have cross copper. All mostly we will use this copper crossover and copper straight through in your home and all. When you're connecting the router, okay, they have this copper cable. Yes or no? Cross copper cable we have. Okay. Now I will just add some two devices. I want some end devices. Like I want to connect my, just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. You want this PC, you want this laptop, I want this server here. Okay. Similarly, this is one network, and I have another network, like I want one printer, and I want one laptop, and I want one server here. So this is one network and this is another network. Now to connect these two devices, for example, all these are in Synas and all these are in Sohar. For example, PC, laptop, and server are in Synas, and this printer, laptop, and server are in Sohar. You understand? So this is one network and this is one network. So I need to connect that. How I can connect that? I need to connect using switches. This is, for example, I need to switch. Switch, you need to choose 2960. See here, when I click switch, 2960, first switch. Remember which switch you need to take. Which switch you need to take. There are a lot of switches are there. When I click on switches, you have 2960, PT switch, PT, MT, all these switches are there. But mostly which switch you are using? 2960 switch we are using. Okay. So now, shall I repeat or continue?
Repeat, Mr. Repeat.
If,
Repeat.
for example, I don't want these devices. How to delete these devices? Can you see this cross here? Delete on the top. Like this is for file. You can save it. You can do everything. Now I don't want these devices. I'll cancel. Delete. See here. Delete, 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 delete. It will keep on deleting until unless you deselect again. See here. Or you press escape in the keyboard. Deselect, I cannot delete now. So if I want to delete, delete, delete. If you press escape, it will go. Or you select this one. Or you select this one. It will go off. Okay. Now I want these n devices. In n devices, I want computer. So click on n devices. See, n device means what is the other name for n device? What is the other name for n device? Here in chapter 5 in component, the first one we seen the host device, right? What is computer? Computer is host device, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So host device means end device. Host also same, end also same. That day also I told you end, from end to end, from mobile to laptop. That means you are sending from one end to another end. So it is also called as end devices. Just drag, don't leave your mouse. Just click here and drag it here. Are you using your laptop? Anyone? You are using your laptop?
Yes.
Okay, good. If you're using your laptop, just open it, log in, you can do it. I want all the students to open your laptop and do it. That's what I'm giving the time here.
Mister, this program is very difficult.
No, no, it is very easy. It's not
No,
difficult.
it's very difficult. More.
It is very, very easy. See what you just drag and drop, it is difficult.
Everything you see is very difficult.
What you see, end devices, network devices, connection. Only these three things you are going to use. If you click on end devices, PC, laptop, server. Which see there, don't worry. They will give like this. I'll show you. Where is that? Don't worry. Where is your? Mm, Now I don't give the picture, so it is difficult for you maybe, but I'll show you. Um, in exam and all, they will give the picture like this. Yeah. Can you see this one here? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. So they will give like this. So it will be easy for you. You can check out what device you need to do, what to do, everything. You can do it. I'll put it in e-learning this one. Okay. You download it. Maybe you feel that since I'm directly opening it, you find it difficult. So you just open this packet activity tracer 1 and 2. So in that, if you open and see here how they will give the picture like this. See here, they'll give the picture like this. So you know this is computer, this is computer, this is printer, this is switch, this is switch. So you have to give your same. That packet tracer, yeah, here. So same thing. Whatever it is given here, the same thing you're going to put it here. You know the picture. You know the picture here. Now is it difficult or easy?
Easy. Very easy.
It's very easy only. Actually, this activity is very easy. See here, I put the picture. You know what is this picture? This picture is computer. You know where is computer? Computer is a network device. Sorry, in end devices. It is in end device. See here, click on this. Put the computer here. Just for your thing, I'm just moving it like this. Okay. Now, see here, I have another computer. So I'll delete this one. Okay. Press this. Take the computer again. Finish. And here I need one printer. So I'll delete this one and then take the printer. Okay. You come this side. This side, how many computers are there? How many laptop are there? How many server is there? Tell me how many computer, how many laptop, and how many server?
Two computer.
Okay, I take two computer,
One silver.
one server,
One laptop.
and one laptop. Okay. So this is that. And I need to give the name. How to give the name? Just select this one. Can you see here? If you select this one, you can change the name. If you select, you can just click on this printer PC one. You can change the name. What is the name I need to give here? HOSIT. This one is what? HOSIT like this. And what is this one name? IT staff. So if I give IT staff, IT staff. And what is this one here? What is the printer name? It is called as department printer. And what is this one? This is HOS math. And what is this one here? Math staff department server. Math staff. So how to give the name? How to give the name? You have to give the name of the devices. Yes or no? Math staff
Yes.
and then department server. Department server. And this one is what? Department laptop. So naming is over. So you can give the name. Now, yeah, what happened? Is it okay? So name I have given the change. This is
Yes.
called as label. This is called as label. Now I want to give the connection. See, I didn't take the switch. Switch is what? Network device. Go to switch, choose 2960, 2960. This is switch. Which switch always you have to use? They will not give the name. You only have to choose it. Always write down. Remember, you have to use 2960 and you have to use 2960. Okay, I'll minimize this one. I'll maximize this. So it is like this. You have to arrange it properly, like network. You have. Okay. Now I need to give the connection between the two switch. I need to give the connection between two switch. Can you see this dotted line? So connection means I should go to connections. This is connection. And can you see this dotted line? The dotted line is called as copper crossover. If it is of same device, remember, is switch and switch is same device? Is switch and switch is same device, yes or no? Switch is the same device, right? We are using two switch. We are using two
Yes.
switch. If it is same device, you have to use this dotted line. The dotted line is called as copper crossover. You can see the name here. If we keep on the top, the name will come. The name will come. See, this is for phone. This is for fiber. Fiber, can you see yellow color? Even in our home, they put the fiber is yellow color. Then okay, and this one is copper crossover. So copper crossover, if you select it, I'm going to connect this switch. Always you need to connect fast Ethernet 01 and then fast Ethernet 01. You know Ethernet will be there in each devices. Ethernet port. Ethernet port is called as nothing but your network interface card. NIC card. NIC. You know NIC, network interface card. In all your system and devices, you will have this network interface card or Ethernet port. Can you see this port here? Yes or no? In modem and all you will see it, right sir? Okay. The same thing it will be there in your computer also. This is called as Ethernet port or LAN port or whatever the things which you call it as. Always you need to connect with one. Always you need to connect with one. So do you want me to do it again? Just delete this one. Again select it. Go here. Which one you need to give? Fast Ethernet 01, fast Ethernet 01. Okay, so this connection is over. Now I need to connect the other devices with this switch like this. See here, I'm connecting this one, all this one with this switch, and all these devices with this switch. How to do that? Select this copper straight through. Copper straight through here. Here always you need to connect fast Ethernet 0. Fast Ethernet 0 because you need to connect with your LAN card in your system, and then here the number will be given. For example, see here what is I'll just connect it here as 3. Can you see the number here? F04. F04. What is mean by F04? Fast Ethernet 0 with 4. Fast Ethernet 0 with 4. I'll delete this again. 0 means, see, this is 0. Fast Ethernet 0. With which one you need to connect? Can you see 2, 3, 4 up to 24 it is there? So I need to connect with 0, 4. 1 is not coming. Why 1 is not coming? Because 1 is already connected with switch. 1 is already connected with switch. So I want to connect with 4. Okay, finished. Next one you tell me. Next one you tell me with this IT staff with switch. F0.
9.
Very good. So F09. So here you give F0 and connect with F09. So similarly printer Printer is what? Which one I need to connect?
See?
15, 15. Okay, I'll give the name for this switch also. This switch is called as IT switch, and this switch is called as math switch. So, and here I have this IT department LAN. For that, if you want to give the note, this is like note or name. So if you go here, place note, the note here. IT department LAN. This is note. Whatever I'm keeping here, wherever you want to type, you can type. Wherever you want to type, you can type. So just reselect again. Do you understand now? So 7, 11, 21, 24. 7, 11, 21, 24. See here, you're always 0. Connect with what? 7, 11,
21.
11, 21 is it? 7, 11, 21. 7, 11 is over. 21 and then 24. 24. So the connection is over. Connection is over. Do you understand how to give the connection and how to take the device and put it? Is it okay?
Yes.
See, they will give this picture here. It is very simple. They will give any kind of picture like this. You have to draw this one. Just drag and drop. You have this network device, you have the end device, and you have the connection. Like the in schools and all, they will give some picture. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Like even the kids are drawing, they will just drag and drop it. Like that, here also the same thing. You are going to do it. Nothing. It's not very difficult. It is very easy only.
The
Okay.
same things in exam also.
Yeah, same thing like exam also. Same thing like they will give it. But here you need to do this one. See one. What is the first question? What is the first question? Configure the. Can you read it? Anyone?
Display names of all
Display name
device
of the
as
device.
giving as a topical.
Topology. Okay, we have different types of topology. This is like LAN. This is like LAN. So display name. This is display name. Already we finished the display name. This is the display name. It is also called as label. It is also called as what? Label. So display name is okay. So the first one is over. And next one is what? Use default mask wherever it is necessary. And this one, if we see this one, they have given some IP address. They have given some IP address. So what is this IP address? Already I told you, whenever you connect any devices in network, it should have some IP address. It should have some IP address. See, for example, HOSIT. This is because each one will have some separate address. Like in our building, we have so many flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is like our flat. 192.168.10. 192.168.10. That is our flat. And this 1, 2, 4, 8, 45, 118, 132, 254 is like our flat number. Flat number. Network ID and host ID. We have network ID and host ID that I will discuss later. But just know what is IP address. What is IP address? So for each device, we have to configure the IP address. See, almost this question, everything is over. Only the second question and this fourth question, they will give the table also. They will give the table also because this IP address they will give you. Okay. Now for HOSIT, select this HOSIT. Go to config because you are going to configure. You are going to what? Configure. So where I need to go? Where I need to go? Go to config. In config, You have to go to fast Ethernet 0 because we connected with fast Ethernet 0 only. That port only we connected. Yes or no? Yes or no? Where you have to go? See, select here. Select means this window will open. If I select this one, this window will open. So you have physical. I should not go to physical. I should go to config. If you go to config, you have this fast Ethernet 0. Click on fast Ethernet 0. Can you see this IPv4 address? IPv4 address. What is this IPv4 address from the table? Tell me what is the IP address? 192 dot. Tell me dear. 192 dot 168.10.0. So type this one here. 192.168.10 192.168.10.1. Okay, and we have the subnet mask. We have the subnet mask. So if you just select it here, the default subnet mask will come. See here, used default subnet mask. Use default subnet mask. Just select here, the subnet mask will come. Okay, I'll repeat for next one is what you have to tell me. IT staff. Select on IT staff. What is the step I need to do? Tell me. For IT staff, what I need to do? Come on, Dio, tell me. I'm waiting for you. Anyone? What is the step I need to do? Tell me.
FA0.
No, first what I need to do? I need to select this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, select. And then where I need to go? Where I have to go? After selecting this one, you will get this window. Where I have to go?
Config.
Config. And then?
Fast 0.
Okay, and then?
IPv4.
IPv4 address. Type here. What IPv4? 192.168.10.5. Can I give one here? Is it possible for me to give one again? Is it possible for me to give one again? No, because I told you in your flat, how many one flat number one will be there? Only one. So like that here also same thing. I cannot give, for example, if I give same IP here, see this IP, the address is already used in the network. It will say, it will give the error message. So I cannot give it. So 192.168.10.5. And the subnet mask, you have to select here, subnet mask will come. Okay, so next one, anyone tell me for printer, quick. Tell me the steps. Shall I call the name?
Click
Shall I?
printer.
Yes, click printer, but then
Config.
go to config, but then
Fast 0.
fast Ethernet 0, then
IPv4. Right address.
so like this, you need to do it for this also. Tell me, anyone, quick, dear, quick.
Config.
Hmm. Fast
Fast
Ethernet
printer.
0,
Right address.
192.168.10.118. 192.168.10 dot what happened? What happened? 192.168.10 dot 45. Maybe I did something. Okay. So next one is go to config, Go to fast Ethernet 0, 192.168.10.118, and this one 192.168.10.32, and for the laptop 192.168.10.254. Okay, like this. So the 254 is the last IP address. Always the IP address will start from 1 or 0 and then 254 and then 254. Okay, I'll discuss this one about the IP address later. You understand now what we have done here? Just here what we are doing, just select the component like in the picture, give the connection, give the name, and then give the IP address. Give the IP address. Now I want to check my IP address is correct or not. Whatever I given the IP address is correct or not. See, just because the question is given, no need to do it, but just see, test the connection, test the connection between the n devices. Can you see all green color? Is there any red color or orange color?
No.
No,
All
all green
green.
color, right? So if all green, mostly your connection is correct. Mostly your connection is correct. Okay. Now I can send data from HOS IT to this laptop, HOS IT to this server, HOS IT to this math. Math staff can take the print to this department printer. That is also possible. So let us check here. I select this one. Add simple PDU. Add simple PDU. Like message is there, no plus. I will put here and select here. Can you see successful here at the end? Can you see successful?
Yes.
Yes. So that means I can able to send the data from this one switch, math switch and laptop. See, similarly from math to printer, it is successful. The data is flowing from here like this. So here from IT staff to math staff. So everything is successful. You understand how to check the connections, how to check the connections. If there is any problem, for example, I will remove the IP address here. I'll remove the IP address here and I will try to give it here. Is it coming? Is it coming? Can I able to send it? No, because there
No.
is no IP address. Because there is no IP address. Any device without the IP address, it is possible. It is not possible for you to send the message. It is not possible because, see, for example, in your flat, the flat number is not given. Is it possible to find out which room number who is staying? No, it is not possible. So I need to give the IP address. Just okay, leave it. Escape, leave it. I'll give the IP address. Go to what is IP address? 192.168.10. What is IP address for server? 32. 192.168.10. Okay. So like this, you need to give it. Do you understand? Is it okay? Okay.
Yes.
Anyhow, see, there is one more. This is the solution. Already all the solutions, everything is given here. It is very easy also. Just go through this activity too. You do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. And then how to save this file. How to save this file. Where you need to save it. Just click here. Go to save. Anywhere you want to. I will save it in D drive. So this is activity 1. So what is that? I put PT or packet tracer, anything. Packet 1. So save it. So once I close it, I save. Now come to this D drive, where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is, the D drive. So if I go here, that packet tracer activity, where is packet tracer? Did I save it in D drive? What? Where it is? Where I did save this one? I'll try to open it. Yeah, it is in network location. But I put it in D drive. I'll try to save it again. Why it is not coming? It is in shortcut. Okay. Choose here. I put it in D drive now. Select D drive. I select it. I close this one. Save it. So now you can find it in your D drive. Can you see this packet activity one? Yes. This is how you need to save your file. Whenever you want, you can just double click and you can open it. The file which you have done. And then I can check what you have done is correct or wrong. So now I will give you time. Do the second one and send me. Now. You have another 20 minutes time. I'll just wait for you. I'll check here. You upload in this one in your homework on lab manual activities. Just upload this file here. Is it okay what I'm telling? Do you understand?
Mister, now answer it.
Yeah, now answer it. I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just upload it now itself. Because if I tell later, that is problem. No one is doing it. I think maybe you cannot upload that file. If you are not able to upload the file, you just take the picture of that final thing, this one, and put it in Word. Okay. So you try to upload this one, the file dot packet. If you're not able to upload this packet, then you take the picture and send it in Word. Okay. You understand what I'm telling? Do you understand? You do
Yes,
it now.
yes.
Yes, you do this. I'll give the questionnaire itself. Do this one. It is open. Do all of you have your packet tracer in your laptop? Do it now.
Mister,
Yeah.
Mister, take a screenshot
No, send the file. Try to
the
send the
file.
file. Yeah. If you're not able to upload the file, then you send me. Maybe I think it will allow. Just I'm checking it, okay? Because I've given all files. You can send any files.
Okay.
Hmm. Hello? Hello? Dear, can you listen me?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. I think some students have taken the test, but many students have not taken, only very few. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, see here. Only some students started taking the test. I want all the students, see, I can see all your record. I told you by this weekend you need to complete up to Chapter 4. Only some students have completed, like who is that? Tiffany. Tiff is here. Tiff is here. This is not the classmate. Okay, not this one. You're in this class, okay. You know some students you started taking it. Have you completed?
Mr.
Hmm.
Where I can submit?
Same here.
Here?
Same homework. Anything you download in homework and lab, whatever I'm giving now, homework and lab manual activities, submit it in there file. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. I hope everyone is doing it, huh? Or simply I gave time for you to do it. All students would use your lab. What happened? One student go out. Hmm?
Mr. Only this do?
Yeah, yeah. Do that alone.
Oh, I finished.
You finish? You send me.
Yes.
Where you send me? Oh, where it is, Mohammed. Mohammed Abdullah. Mohammed
Yes.
Abdullah.
Yes.
Mohammed Abdullah. Where the file here? Mohammed Abdullah. This one? Network. Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
Mister,
Yeah.
it's okay if I download 32 bits?
If your system is 32-bit, you download 32-bit.
My system,
If it is 64-bit, download 64-bit. Why you download 32-bit?
it's open. Yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
If it is working, no problem.
It's open with me now.
Okay, no worry.
Mister, enough for today.
Okay, I'm not taking the classes. Did I take the class?
We can
You
go.
complete.
We
You
have
complete.
exam.
Complete. I will tell you. Wait. Don't go now.
Okay.
Who is absent today? One student was absent. Now two student is absent. What to do? Ensure your attendance. You don't come 24. Ahad Yusuf,
Yes.
here you are absent for 4 classes. Don't get absent hereafter. Why you are getting absent? This is online class. Don't get absent, okay? Last
Okay.
week absent for 2 classes. Ali Abdul, Ali Abdul, Alsada,
Mister,
yeah, yes. Wait, I'll take
I
that
don't
one.
know how to write name the network.
You don't know how to write name. I didn't get you. Write name means you mean like this name, or this one? Which one you mean? If you want to write this one, you can go for note. There is note here. Take this note, type. Alsada,
I cannot see, Mister.
just now I saw you. What you are doing? See here. If you want to write note, take this note here. Place note. If you place note, whatever you want to type, you can type. Okay?
Okay, Mister.
Alsada Sayaf,
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Ansaf Rasid.
Yes, Mister, I am here.
Okay. Anwar Hamoud,
Yes, Mister.
Aryam Hamdan,
Yes, Mister.
Ater Abdullah,
Yes, Mister.
okay. Aya Mohammed, Aya Mohammed,
Yes, Mister. Yes, Mister.
Hamda Ali, Pura Kamis,
Yes, Mister.
Hamda Ali Mohammed, Mariam
Yes,
Yusuf,
Mister.
Siddaq Ali,
Yes, Mister.
Mohammed
Yes,
Abdullah,
Mister.
Mohammed Hamid,
Yes, Mister.
Mohammed Hamid Darwish, Mohammed Ali Dahim, Mohammed Ali Dahim, Mohammed Hamid Dahim, and then Mohammed Hamid Darwish, Nawal Khalid,
Yes, Mister.
Riham Salim,
Yes, Mister.
Wazan Abdullah.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, dear. What is that? Fine, thank you. Did you submit?
Mister,
Yeah,
Mister,
yes.
after write address,
Hmm. Okay, after right address, tell me what happened.
click top, which click top or X?
See here. Fast Ethernet 0. After write IP address, click on subnet mask. If you click here, if you click subnet mask, the default subnet mask will come. Okay. You compress your file.
After close.
After that, close and choose next one. See here.
Okay.
See here. Select config, fast Ethernet 0, give IP address, select this one and close and select like this. Okay.
Okay, Mr.
I'll stop my recording now.